it's there. Like, y'all savages, man. Mondays are for McLarens. They can't see us if we don't move. I just got pegged in the face by a rock, man. That was pretty crazy. And the crazy thing is that the speed limit was not broken at all. Not one time. You were trying to line it up, man. What's going on?
No, I'm too scared. This thing gets squirrely and it's not my car. I'm not trying to.
I feel you. Yeah, we were like, yo, why is Vin going so slow? And it's legit like 120.
Because the thing is, that thing is, I know, it's not like me, right?
So apparently this is the fastest car here. It's got a tune and a downpipe, so this thing probably moves. Yo, give me a little rev. What do you think? It's crazy. Do you want to leave?
Yeah. DM me tweeting, bro. Always watch.
Y'all need a sponsor.
This
Photographer. Yeah. Okay. What is going on right now? Yo, easy access. Okay.
Bro, look at this.
Bro, I feel like I'm in a Polaris right now. Now they're doing the photo shoot here. See the camera there with the gimbal. Yo, let's race right now, quick. Liverpool. You're slow, bro, look. The gap. What's your social media for the Chase Smith 561? So GTA 6 is looking very, very good, if I might say so. The 720S, man, look how wide that thing is compared to like the 570S or the 600. Work. I don't know why we're quiet. I don't know if he's taking a video or if he's taking a picture, but I like it. There's no noise. This only happens in McLaren meets. Look.
Oh, because I
I want your guys' opinion on it. Because I do stuff for, you know, other... Alright guys, so we are heading back down south. We're about an hour away. Everybody's taking off now. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this McLaren Madness Monday. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of these videos. Put on the notification bell so you guys are the first ones to know when these videos are up. And don't forget to like, guys. Alright, that's it. Catch you next time.
Yeah.